Hi everyone, what's up and welcome back. I am Sonal Yadav, and by the title of today's video, you might have already gotten an idea that I am going to be reviewing the newly launched Sugar Cosmetics I Love Jelly Eyeshadows. Eyeshadows were sent to me in PR a week ago, and after that I have actually created like 4 to 5 looks because I really wanted to try and test the product out before actually sharing my reviews with you guys. So in today's video, you'll find me creating a beautiful eye makeup look for the festive season using the jelly eyeshadow. Other than that, I'm going to show the swatches of all the 8 shades available, and I will be also sharing my reviews and thoughts on this product. So without any further ado, let's just get started with today's video. This is how exactly the PR kit looks like, and I have all the 8 different shades that are available. So this is how the outer packaging of the product looks like, the classic sugar packaging, and this is how the bottle look like. It is a 3-gram product retailing for 299 rupees. First, let's just talk about the shade range. Now, coming towards the shade range, I think Sugar could have just gotten a lot of bright shades as well in the jelly eyeshadow. So when I got the mail that I will be receiving these products in the PR, I was quite excited because the jelly eyeshadow is something new in the Indian market, I feel, and not every brand has it, so it was quite interesting and exciting for me. But with the shade variety, I was not that blown away because they have played it safe, I'll say, because they have a lot of shades of gold, copper, bronze. I think basically all of these shades are quite similar to each other. They are wearable definitely, but they could have gotten a lot of bright shades as well. They have 2 bright shades, which is in the shade cranberry and plum, but when I was swatching all of these shades together, these 2 shades were not having that much amount of spark and glitter to it compared to the other shades. So I was not that amazed with the 2 bright shades that are actually available. But the shade Grey Game is a beautiful product. This is the most shiniest and the most glamorous product, I feel, because it has that high shine pigmentation, it has that sparkle in it, it has that glam to it, and I really love that shade, and I've tried and used that shade in today's video. And even for my eye makeup today right here, I've used the same shade, and I really love how these blend. Now, talking about the consistency of the product, it picks beautifully on the brush. You do not have to dip too much of it, and you will get that beautiful one swipe pigmentation. You do not have to build the product too much, and it is going to give you that intense pigmentation that you do not really have to layer it up with any other product. Talking about the blendability of the product, they do blend beautifully with your matte eyeshadow shades as well. And you can also very easily blend these with the fingers as well. Now, when I was blending the product with my fingers, there was a little bit of shine which was reduced, but definitely these will blend beautifully with your fingers as well, and they perform nicely. They do blend beautifully, and that was one thing that I was scared about, because the jelly eyeshadow term was like, for me, I thought that it might dry up easily and it might just start crumbling, or if it gets dry before I blend, it might even scrape out on the eyes. But all of this was not happening. Everything was quite smooth. The product consistency was quite nice. It blends beautifully, and I do like the eyeshadow for the price point. I think they are doing amazing, so you can definitely try this one out for yourself as well. That was my short review on the newly launched Sugar I Love Jelly eyeshadows. Now I will quickly give you a closer look towards the swatches. The first shade, which is grey color, is in the shade 08, and the last shade, which is a champagne shade, is in the shade 01. That is how I actually listed the swatches. This is what the pot looks like, and the consistency and the texture, you can get a closer view at it. And now let's just create our eye makeup look. So for this festive eye makeup look, I have used the jelly eyeshadow in the shade Grey Game. Now this one was my most favorite color because it has the most amount of pigmentation and it is just beautiful. So as you can see, this is how my cut crease eyeshadow look has turned out to be. It's a very simple eye makeup look. So I am going to be showing you in detail how I have achieved this eye makeup look right here. Let's just get started towards actually creating this eye makeup. So starting with the concealed eyes, I am going to be applying the brown shade as my transition shade, and I'm going to be blending it. Slowly and slowly I'll build the pigmentation up, and I'll keep on blending the color because this is our transition shade. And when the transition shade is blended nicely, the eyeshadow look overall comes out to be perfect. So make sure that you take time in blending, and I'm just going to do the circular motions to blend the product. Now I'm going to use the Sugar Cosmetics I Love Jelly eyeshadow in the shade Grey Game, and it's a beautiful color, and I am going to be creating a cut crease eye makeup look. So I'm just slowly drawing my cut crease using a pointed edge brush, and you can just demonstrate the same and you'll get this beautiful cut crease. Adding that darker color at the edge will create a beautiful finishing effect to it. And now I am going to use the Kohl pencil from Sugar Cosmetics. I am going to be lining my eyes, and I'm also going to tight line the upper portion of my eyes. This will just define the shape of my eyes, and it will just bring back that finishing touch. Now with the help of a brush like so, I am just going to smudge the lower lash line, and I will be adding some shades of brown as well so that it looks nicely blended and put together. Now I'm using a beautiful highlighting shade just to highlight my inner corners of the eyes and also the brow bone area. Never miss this step after doing your eye makeup because this really makes a lot of difference in your eye look. To complete this eye makeup look, I am going to add loads and loads of mascara. This is the Uptown Curl Lengthening Mascara, and I'm going to layer it up, and I love this mascara. And finally, I'm just blending things out just so that it looks perfect. And that is how we have achieved this glamorous festive eye makeup look. I hope you all actually got to learn something out of this video. I am gonna be adding my bindi, and this is how the eye look has turned out to be. I hope you all actually enjoyed watching this video. If you do, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. Also, for your convenience, I am gonna be listing all the products down in the description box below along with the shade name and links. So make sure that you check it out, and if you like watching such videos, then please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching till the end.